Hey guys, it's Shannon. Today I have a great DIY / tip for you today. I love to decorate for fall with natural items, any chance I get, including things like these pumpkins that are behind me. But we all know that they aren't meant to last forever. They do have a shelf life, and I want to keep them around. I usually decorate for fall pretty early in the season, so in order to make them last all fall long, I have a little quick tip and DIY for you. So let's get to it. Here's a look at all the pumpkins that I want to preserve. And this last guy right here is my son's, so that one's very important. He picked that out at the farmer's market this past weekend. So let's go outside and get started. To start, you'll need a large container like this 5-gallon bucket, whatever size fits your pumpkins. I also have some bleach and some dish soap. You'll want to add 2 tablespoons of bleach per gallon of water, and you also want a squirt of dish soap. I'm adding just plain water from the garden hose into the bucket, but you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. You want to make sure you leave some room in there for adding your pumpkins. You want to be careful as you drop your pumpkins in so that you don't splash that bleach water up onto you. And once you have all of the pumpkins in the bucket, you can fill the rest of the bucket up with water to the tops so you make sure that all of them are covered. Next, you want to let these sit for at least 30 minutes so the bleach can do its job. After the 30-minute wait is up, then you can kind of scrub your pumpkins a little bit and empty that bleach and soap water off. I emptied out all of the pumpkins and then took the garden hose and rinsed them off. They still had quite a bit of soap on there, so I made sure to rinse those off completely. Next, I took the pumpkins over to our old patio table so that they could dry out in the sun. I waited about 30 minutes for the pumpkins to dry, but then I did take a towel to get any extra little water droplets and dirt off of the pumpkins because I wanted to make sure they were completely dry and clean. And the last step is to seal your pumpkins with a clear matte sealer. I'm using this spray paint by Krylon. I flipped all of the pumpkins upside down to spray the bottoms first, and once those were sprayed, I gave them a second coat and let those dry completely before I flipped them over and gave the tops of them 2 coats of spray paint as well. And that's all there is to preserving your real pumpkins. You can do this with large pumpkins as well, from the pumpkin patch even, but it's so nice to know that these pumpkins are going to last even if it's hot outside, cold outside, rainy outside. I know my front porch decor is going to stay intact. You can also do the same technique and bring them inside as well, and know that your inside decor is not going to rot and ruin a display. What is your favorite pumpkin color? Is it the traditional orange, the white, the two-toned? Let me know down in the comments below. I hope that this tutorial inspired you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, share this with your friends and family, and inspire them too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.